Bluey, I have a great idea for Easter.
Really? Tell me.
Let's invite our friends and do an egg hunt.
They don't answer the call.
Patience, girls.
Hello, girls. How are you? Do you have any fun plans for today?
We want to invite you and Peppa over to our house. We're planning something fun for Easter.
Easter? How exciting! We're on our way. Ready for some bunny fun?
Get your baskets ready.
How exciting! Let's go to the park now to look for the chocolate eggs.
Hello there. Welcome to Happy Chick Nature Reserve. We have many baby chicks here that just hatched.
Aw, they're so tiny.
Look. One is pecking a flower.
Since it's Easter today, how about a treasure hunt? Let's sing a song while you look for the eggs.
Yes, I find it funny.
Look up high, look down low. Where did all the eggs go? In the grass behind a tree. Come along and search with me. Where are the eggs? Where could they be? Hiding for you and hiding for me. Colorful eggs, we're on the run. Finding them all is so much fun. One is pink and one is blue. One is hiding in your shoe, under a rock or by the slide. Let's go find what's left to hide. Where are the eggs? Where could they be? Hiding for you and hiding for me. Colorful eggs, we're on the run. Finding them all is so much fun. Shh, what's that behind the tree? A giant egg, oh wow, let's see.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more fun and learning.
Great job, Easter team. You can take all the eggs you found home with you. Have a happy Easter.
Yay!
Wow! You've all been busy.
Such colorful eggs. Ready to open them?
I can't wait to open them and see what surprise they have.
Chicks came out.
Girls, here are more eggs and chicks to have fun with.
Yes, but if we eat a lot of chocolate today, it can be bad for us.
Oh no, the chicks are all over the house.
Hi, kids. I just came to say you all did an amazing job today. And remember, Easter isn't just about chocolate. It's also about sharing, caring for nature, and spending time with friends.
Happy Easter! Remember to take care of nature, share with your friends, and enjoy every moment. If you enjoyed our Easter adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our adventures.